In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Pomodoro timer in TickTick. If you're new to the Pomodoro technique, it's a simple method to keep you focused by working in short time sprints with quick breaks in between. TickTick builds this right into the app so you can connect a focused session directly to a specific task and track your progress as you go. Start by opening TickTick in your browser and heading to your tasks. Pick the task you want to work on right now. Choosing a single, clearly defined task helps the timer do its job, because the power of Pomodoro comes from working without switching contexts. Next, look for the three dots menu next to that task. Click it to open the task options. In the menu that appears, hover over Start Focus. You'll see options related to focused work. Now, click Start Pomo to begin a Pomodoro session tied to this task. TickTick will start the countdown, and you'll see visual feedback so you know the timer is running. By default, it uses a standard focus interval, and you'll get alerts when sessions or breaks end. To keep the timer front and center, click the Pomodoro area on the left side of the screen. This opens the dedicated focus view, where you can watch the session progress and stay on track. From here, you can pause the timer if something urgent interrupts your flow. When you're ready to get back into it, simply resume and continue your session without losing your place. If you need to wrap up the session early, use the end option. Ending early is useful if you've finished the task or need to switch priorities. TickTick may prompt you to confirm, helping you avoid stopping by accident. If you're in a break or paused, you can click Continue to move forward into the next segment and keep your rhythm going. When a session finishes, TickTick offers a focus note field. Type in a brief note about what you accomplished, what you learned, or what blocked you. These notes are incredibly helpful later when you review your productivity and plan your next steps. A few quick tips as you use the Pomodoro timer in TickTick. Pick one task per session, silence non-essential notifications, and keep breaks truly restorative. Stand up, stretch, or grab water, then come back ready to start the next round. With these steps, you'll turn your TickTick tasks into focused, measurable progress, one Pomodoro at a time.